Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you how to clean cooktop glass stove in 5 minutes. So I used Weimen cooktop daily cleaner. It cleans really very well, and my stove is super shiny and clean now. So let's check out the steps. First of all, I have to close the stove. Now I will spray it evenly at the glass top and let it settle for 3 or 4 minutes approximately. The stove has inbuilt system for cleaning, but it takes approximately 1 hour to clean it up, and there is more expense of electricity. So if you want quick results, just use the spray. I am using Weimen cooktop daily cleaner, which is heavy duty and it is very cost effective. It just costs $14. So I'm leaving the spray on for 3 to 4 minutes approximately, and after that I will wait for a while. Then I used metal scrubber gently. I'm just gentle because I want to prevent scratches on the top of the glass, and just clean and break up the dirt. Comparatively, it takes very short time to clean up this way. And at the end we'll use any cotton cloth to clean up the top. So it's nice and clean now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. Don't forget to check out the links for my Amazon business in the description, please. You can shop online over there. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram.